This resource is an affirmation that you have many conflicting priorities in your life. We consider all the various aspects of life different people value. We look at the reason you decided to attend Empire State College and why that reason is important. We consider how priorities help define your motivation. We review the main points and provide some pointers on how to handle your conflicting priorities. There are many aspects of your life: personal growth, money, relationships, education, community, play, family, spirituality, health, and work. The key to happiness is to achieve some balance between all these parts of your life. Some parts are more important to you than others. Perhaps time with your family is more important to you than money. Or maybe your health is worth more to you than being an active member of your community. The aspects of your life you value the most tend to receive your highest priority. They define what you view as must activities, what has to absolutely be done before anything else. So that begs the question, how high do you prioritize your education? In other words, why are you at Empire State pursuing your degree? An important skill that you will develop in your time at Empire State is the ability to do self-reflection on assignments and on your overall learning. You should begin that process and determine why exactly you have decided to invest your time, energy, and money in pursuing a degree. Your being here means you clearly place some importance on education. But what really drove your decision to attend? Are you doing your degree strictly because of the high value you place on education? Or was it something else? Is the degree a means to reach higher income levels? Or will the degree provide you a better way to serve your community? Why does your reason for attending matter? There is an economic concept called opportunity cost, which is basically what you have to give up in doing or acquiring something else. What other activities will you have to give up completing your schoolwork? Will you be able to spend as much time with your family as you would like? Maybe you will have to work less hours at your job. Going to school requires a large investment of time. This is especially true at Empire State College, with its unique approach to post-secondary education. In your online classes, you will have message board posts to make, reading to complete, and papers to write. You will have the degree plan and your rationale essay to complete. If you have prior learning, you will have to complete assessments to receive credit. If your coursework is not high on your list of priorities, then you will not be successful. Your studies require hard work. You must find the time and energy to devote to your Empire State responsibilities to do well. Always keep in mind the reason behind your desire for a degree, whatever that may be, and you will find the time for your schoolwork. Tie your schoolwork to whatever you value most highly, and you will find the motivation to succeed. Motivation is what turns dreams into reality. It is that extra push that helps you cross the finish line. It will be what helps you finish your degree and find the time to complete your work in your busy life. But where does motivation come from? You desire to make a change in your life. You have a reason for attending Empire State. But just having the desire to change is not enough to truly motivate you. You also needed to have the courage to make a change. It takes great courage to move away from your comfort zone, and you should be commended for taking this step. Motivation also requires some goal. You need to have a reason to subject yourself to the rigors of classwork. Again, this is your personal reason for attending Empire State. True motivation does have one more requirement. You need to have the discipline to work through the difficult times. There will be a time when you just don't want to do your work. Maybe you had a rough day at work. Your kids are sick. The house is a mess. And the message post is the last thing you want to do. It will be your discipline that gets the assignment done, because you know you need to meet your goals. If we put this all together, we get the motivation equation, DE plus C plus G plus DI equals M, or desire plus courage plus goals plus discipline equals motivation. In your daily life, you are pulled in many different directions. You may have children to care for, meals to prepare, a home to clean and maintain, and a full-time job. Now you will also have studies to attend, assignments to complete, and other schoolwork that requires your attention. To be successful at Empire State, you need to ensure that your schoolwork is a high priority. You have a personal goal and reason for attending Empire State. Keep that in mind as you work toward your degree. Your personal reason will be the key to unlock your motivation, which in turn will help you reach your goals and success.